do, baby. Let's dump some stuff. Welcome to
Trouble Creek! We're going to dump 3 piles of dirt evenly spaced across that area we were talking about. It's not an exact science, so let's see how it goes. Okay, go back down. That's good. All right, go forward. Okay.
Well, we got 3 piles and they're perfectly progressively larger. Not anybody can just pull that off. So it ain't bad though, because we need less dirt here and more dirt there. Now, I'm gonna be spreading this out with a tractor. The dozer would be more applicable, a lot easier, a lot nicer, probably even do a better job. However, in this little itty bitty parking area that I wanna keep kind of intact, it does more harm than good. Turning, moving, tree roots, things of this nature. So I'm just gonna sneak up on it. Plus it's like for me, so it's not like, hourly or a hard money job. If it were, well then I would take, that into consideration. So that's about it. Let's rock on. Ready?
Ready.
Yeah, let's see if you can fire it up, baby.
I got that one.
Stacy on Lil Thump. Hey! Hey! Woo! you gotta push the button on the top. Hold it. Now you just shut it off. Hold it. There you go. It's a little scary, I ain't gonna lie to begging to get out. Let me out, let me out. Come on over here, step into my office. I wanted to show you guys the size rocks that I typically put down. Okay, this would be your base layer. And it's just awesome. You get like no potholes, you know, you beat that all in, then you could go over top of it with whatever you want. Crush and run or number 5 washed or something like that, 1/2 inch, stuff like that. I learned the hard way to start out with this stuff first. Oh yeah, 2 baby. Let's dump some stuff. So have you ever seen anyone in more dire need of a spreader gate in all your life? Well, if we get 1,000 subscribers, maybe we can afford one. All kidding aside, folks, I am going to be putting in a spreader gate on this sucker this winter. And so I'm going to do a video all that, you know, the little pneumatic hooky thingies, and I'm going to incorporate the barn doors and a swing gate. So I've been studying up on it. You guys ought to hang around and catch on that. I'm sure you'll like it, right? Maybe.
Well, here it is. We've got our mulch beds all installed. We've got everything around the perimeter graded, seeded, and strawed. We've got this nice flat pathway, all the access points put in, one in the back there. We've got our tree transplanted and a nice big flat parking lot. And we even managed to not kill our little tomato plant. It's got a little flower on it. Oh, it's got several.
Ching! I wanted to let you know about my take on the basics of parking lot road construction, okay? I know that I said that this was big rock, but I kind of wanted to be more specific. It's 357. Every quarry calls it something different. It's about 2 inches to 3 inches. Once you establish your soil doesn't expand when wet, which is critical, okay? So if you got a big project coming up or even a small project, take you some soil, compact it in some form of cylinder, measure it, wet it, and if it expands, you're gonna have issues. Ask me how I know that. Okay, so you establish your soil, then you wanna compact it, which you saw we did earlier. Then you wanna come back with your base rock, which was the 357 I was talking about. At that point, you can go with pretty much whatever you want. You can go with a finer wash stone, like a number 5, number 7, 57, depending on the quarry. It's about probably inch to a half inch small. Or you can go with crush and run, if that suits you. And on slopes, crush and run works the best. However, if you're frugal and cheap and you're like, I don't want to pay twice for rock, then you'll end up putting like 5 layers of crush and run down because you saved $3 a ton. Okay, not smart. You see it all the time, you know. First off, get your grading, get your water off your road, compact it, make sure you got good soil, put the big rock down, put your crush and run, and that's it, babe. That's all you got to do. You're done. Walk away from it. Finito.